here at Babylist in their showroom in Beverly Hills to do live art for a hair care launch for Proudly. And it's so cute. So fun. There's a ball pit, lounging section.
Oh, I'll show you and then
So fun. And then of course, hey girl.
you see me like super focused.
We absolutely love doing live art for brands and companies, and Babylist is actually a repeating client of ours. We did an event with them about a year ago, and it was so fun to return this time at their showroom in Beverly Hills, which was decked out with all things baby. So if you're expecting or you know anyone who is, then definitely check out the showroom in Beverly Hills if you're local to Los Angeles. For this event, we got to partner with Proudly, which is a baby brand owned by Dwyane Wade and Gabrielle Union.
When we say for us, by us, we mean that. We mean that everything that will come into contact with your child is EWG approved. We set the highest standards.
As an artist, we don't get the luxury of seeing the reaction of the person who receives our artwork, but that's what I love about live art, is because that we get to literally see people respond and get real-time feedback.
We actually wanted to show you guys.
I absolutely love seeing the joy and the smiles in people's faces, and it makes me feel just so happy to be able to do what I do and to use art in a way that brings other people joy. I also got to reunite with Tia Mowry, and it was so much fun because she was actually one of my first live art clients.
I love it. My hair is my crown. I love that. Oh my gosh.
You're the last